All right, let's talk about a common headache in the IT world. Something that might be hitting a little too close to home. Chances are, your go-to VDI solution is letting you down, especially when it comes to your Linux users. We're going to dig into why that is, and how a true Linux-native approach can change the entire game.
Does this sound familiar? Your costs for virtual desktops just keep climbing. Setting things up is a complex nightmare. And the performance, well, it's just not cutting it, right? Especially for your developers and engineers, your Linux power users. What's the root cause of all this frustration?
Well, it really boils down to one simple but huge problem. You know, the biggest names in the VDI space, think Citrix. They grew up in a Windows-first world. Linux support? It wasn't built in from the start. It was tacked on later. It was, well, an afterthought.
This chart just makes it crystal clear. ThinLinc, designed for Linux from day one. Citrix, it's Windows-centric. Instead of a complex deployment that needs a team of experts, you get a simple setup. Instead of frustrating lag, you get performance that's actually optimized for low latency. And here's the kicker, the cost. Forget about those expensive per-user licenses. With a concurrent model, you're only paying for who's logged in right now. It's a system that was built for this, not just adapted. And hey, don't just take my word for it. Listen to what actual users are saying. This person tried VNC, called it clunky. Tried MS Remote Desktop, painfully slow. But then they tried a Linux-native solution. The result? It was easy to set up, and it just worked. So this all points to one central idea. We're calling it the 100% Linux first advantage. This isn't about being, Linux friendly or having some Linux support. It's about being purely, truly built for Linux right from its very core. So what do you get with that advantage? First off, it's pure Linux, built on proven open source tech like Tiger VNC. That means you get a super smooth desktop experience. For security, it just uses secure SSH encryption. Need to scale up? No problem. It can handle thousands of users right out of the box with built-in load balancing. And that fair pricing model means your total cost of ownership goes way, way down. Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but how do I try it out without a huge commitment? Well, that's where this number comes in, 10. That's the number of concurrent users you can have, for free. This is the full-featured real deal. It's perfect for spinning up a proper pilot deployment and seeing for yourself.
And getting started is incredibly simple. Step 1, you download the free version. Step 2, you can actually deploy a pilot in under 15 minutes. And step 3, you can start simplifying your VDI setup today. So the real question is, why would you keep wrestling with a solution that treats your Linux environment like a second-class citizen when the smarter choice is right here?